Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable felt slippers which fit most 8-inch baby dolls like this BB doll from JC Toys. Before we begin this fairly easy project, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download this free printable pattern. Now I'm actually reusing some old felt, so from time to time you might see lines on the slippers fabric. I actually make a mistake and put the lines on the outside of the slippers. Whoops! Use your pattern to cut out the shapes shown here. Your pattern should actually have a notch showing where to start your first stitch. So you put the foot pad up against the outer part, attach the upper to the sole, that's the official terminology, starting from the notch and going to the heel area. Then sew from the notch to the heel on the other side. The upper, that's the wraparound part, will now have two flaps at the heel. You'll want to connect these two flaps or align them so they match up and stitch them together. Then you just invert the slipper. You can see my lines on the outside of the bottom part, the sole of the shoe. Follow these steps to make 2 slippers, and then you're ready to try them on a doll. As you can see, I sewed my doll's slippers with the writing on the outside. Whoops! Oh boy. I guess everybody makes mistakes sometimes. If you'd like more free printable sewing patterns and more free sewing tutorials, including the pattern for my snowflake dress, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please tell your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this dress. Goodbye!